Kakur maring hakashiterik unaitung kalapidang ngobhai kakong Pinky maring kabala job ya ka Mrs. Wall Peace bat kumjuru ya ka nam Miss Beautiful Skin hakajing ko pen iriam bat dur bhabrio nakabenta ki long kami nakaleng kaperthai haka season 2 jong ka Mrs. Wall International 8,000 bala penlong da ka Glamour Gurgaon hakashiterik ujalliu Halila Hotel and Resort Ambience Mall Gurgaon. Lapidang buram ya kakong Pinky maring hakat ling sun Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport Guwahati. Bat kumban penken mau kakong Pinky maring kalara ru ya kanam lakdo baningkong jong ka Miss Meghalaya ha usnem Shahjar Khandai Spa Khandai Kupra. Kakong Pinky maring kadi ko way nagilong kami kabalarung hakatup ki hinru pongut ki finalist na pringkisan spa angut kinong yashimenta nagaleng kiri kapertay.
Presiden pun
having two
Yes, it's a pageant. Yes.
two with the two subtitles. Yeah.
Okay, my journey has been very beautiful so far. I won't say that it's easy because coming all the way from Shillong, it's difficult because of the travel and the place that we are from, we have to travel very far. But I think if you work very hard and you give your full dedication, there is nothing that it is impossible. And at this age, I can achieve, and I think anybody can achieve. So as I said before also, age is just a number. If you want to do it with total determination, with hard work, you can achieve it. Thank you.
Your journey.
There are many people in this journey who has been with me. So if I name only one person, it will be biased. So I would like to thank first of all your Blay, God, because without his love and guidance, I don't think so I'll be here. Second, my parents who had always been supportive. Nadu Manshwa, hindi kitang tani ka competition ba kanya manta, Nadu Manshwa, kilaidon rangka lang marga. My husband, Bapli Imdan Shane, what nakataro, he has his full support and may ihi shokshit maroy marway. Kikun, who has been so understanding, kibhaying basem parlok parajor, kibun ha. So ngam sidang jer kateng jongki and iway nga hatian long, it will be very unfair. Kung suong in general, barpat kibhaying basem parlok parajor. Thank you.
Ate nga ong tumni mga long experience ya ko kun la jong. Hoy kadon giding si bun habag le ikini contest bun kapor wangi habin hale ya kamarway naman ngimla man bun ya ka teng ala dangi ya lang kadon giding ka kali kawan saka visa ka tangka mo naman ni hapelut di dangi le ka tiket ka sa hotel de wala kataru haba pidon kamon kata kalat kadon mo kumbaong proverb when there is a will there is a way. Dia ngakan tiulut yakini ki samla baro bah padai ki bala songlok ong padai ki misis tu bikin mi sakman ada kidan ki biang terliang terniot ada ki biang kajingdang kajing star Bakin ya le banyak pun syakmat. Bakin hun ya la de bangin ni syong ni kam ni la pas ni la ni la yok kam la dia. Jadi kan ni kalau pun kawai kam kalau kata len jom ki ke hap pergi hak pergi. Bakin ya kim benta kum kini competition. Ada long hoi. La ru ben job, la ru ben rem dang balong bakim dei ben perkat ba. La dang rem ngale ranye kulim tai. Long iri lalap di kita ki bun rei. Bikin ya mi sakman, bikin ya try ke. Long kata lada kalong pada sip jom ki kelak min job. Long kumi pinki ru ni kem dan di kermen di job. Nama ku timbun ki beri pelakon spa di kontestan. Kata ka jinya le. Kirei long kumaong kumno kata ka training jom ka bagi judge kita kinong penyak ki judge ya ka, ki select ya ka. Dia long kata ru kalong kawin. Long kamat ya ka kanyo ni final. Kata